have arrived.
Yeah, they just walked in. Holler at the people.
Hey everybody, I'm Mia, Dom's sister. Well, another race shirt and another car for his collection. Honestly, I don't know why anybody challenges him.
They never learn.
Well, we're meeting up at Sullivan's garage for the after party, and while Tej works on your rides, you guys enjoy the break room. My brother calls this the family room. Dom says he doesn't have friends, he has family.
That's you
And
guys.
the faces you see on these walls are our family.
Something like that.
When I'm in this room, I feel like we're all together again. So, welcome to our family.
All right, what up, Tej? We chatting it up with Mia.
All right. What's up, Mia?
Hey, Tej, just welcoming these good people to our family. How are their rides coming along?
The rides are ready to roll out and roll out in style.
All right. I'll let Dom know. You guys have fun at the party.
Bye, Mia.
Bye, Mia.
All right, Pat. Let's get these people on their way. Send them over to the war room.
Hey, no problem, Tej. Peace.
Peace.
All right, guys, those.
Come on, everybody, and sing. Oh my, Pat. I'm Jamie. Welcome to the super secret Toretto family war room. That's right, we got our very own family war room, because the family that wars together stays together. Now, I'm not the boss here. That would be Tej. He's got like big ludicrous delusions. Oh, hi, Tej.
Jamie, the buses are
The
here.
buses. All right, do you want all the new family to go in? It's the Dom calling.
I got this, Jamie.
Okay.
Dom, what up?
Tej, just got a heads up from Hobbs. The FBI is about to raid your location.
Oh no,
Man, they
again.
always ruining our fun.
Every
It
Monday.
gets worse. They're leading Owen Shaw right to your
Owen
door.
Shaw, who's that?
Shaw, that cockroach we beat down in Spain?
Oh, that guy.
What's he got to do with this?
Yeah.
Nothing yet.
Oh, good.
And let's keep it that way.
Already forgot
Get
it.
those people on those buses.
People to the
You
buses.
need to start bugging out right now.
I'm bugging.
And get that turbo truck ready.
A turbo
I'm
truck.
sending Letty there to pick it
I
up.
better call Letty.
I'm on
You
it.
better call
Hobbs
Letty.
needs our help. He needs our team. Spread the word.
Tell everyone.
Keep it in our
But
family.
only in this room.
Keep it quiet.
Tell no one. It's the FBI. It's Hobbs.
Hobbs, my man. What up?
Sorry, Brother Tej, no time for chit-chat.
But you called
I just
us.
sent you a brief on FBI agent Novak. Has Toretto filled you in?
No.
Yeah,
Yes.
he wants us to get everybody over to the party at Sullivan's.
Sounds like a plan.
It does.
Party is a ready-made diversion. Keep it going. We need to discuss how you're going to get all those civilians out of there without tipping off the FBI.
Civilians, they're family.
Okay, hold on.
Mia said
Let me get
so.
everybody squared away, and we'll talk offline.
Mia
Copy
Familia.
that, Tej, and let everybody know. Shut off your cell phones.
Why?
We don't want Shaw tracking your location.
Oh, if you put it on silent, he won't
Okay,
find
Jamie,
out.
You heard the man.
Yeah?
It's about to go to a whole nother level.
I haven't been easy
Send
yet.
everybody to the loading dock.
All right, to the loading dock. That.
Listen up, everybody. My man Hobbs wants to talk directly to y'all, so I'm patching him through now.
My name is Special Agent Luke Hobbs of the U.S. Diplomatic Security Service, and as of 16.9 seconds ago, I'm the man in charge. There's a high-value witness from the Federal Protection Program aboard your vehicle. An international crime syndicate led by Owen Shaw is honing in on this vehicle to take that witness out. Shaw's as ruthless as they come, and he'll stop at nothing to eliminate his target. Every living soul on this vehicle is in serious danger. Other than that, enjoy the ride.
Hey guys, we're gonna keep you safe from Shaw, but to keep you safe, we need your help. So please turn off your cell phones and put away your cameras, because one flash or ringtone could give us away. And remember, got a problem? Deal with it together.
Everybody out! This is the FBI! Turn that music off! Come on, get moving. The door's right there. Get moving. Get out. Come on, everybody out.
This is what we doing. This is the race day after party, And what other?
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move.
Bill?
That's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. You got it. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop, I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours. Hobbs, escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
You got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of something.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Man.
It was on vibrate.
Sean traced us. Hobbs can't hold him forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle.
It's about to get real interesting. Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door.
Okay, gang, no flash photography and no cell phones. And keep very quiet.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you all get fried.
This is our turn.
After them.
Okay, guys, it's showtime. Cover the left. This thing ain't moving fast enough. Roman, Letty, hook him up. Now we're moving.
You give me the witness, Toretto, and we call it a day. The witness is mine, Letty.
How about you eat asphalt?
Don't think you're getting away. On the ball.
Way to go, Letty. Not gonna happen. Don't worry, I got this. Roman, don't shoot. Head from the bridge. Under construction. Everybody hold on. Hit the matrix. Ride or die.
Man, where'd you people learn to ride like that? And witness, whoever you are, you lucky to be riding with this crew. They got your back.
They say the bigger the family, the stronger it is. You guys did good out there. And you're welcome to join our crew anytime.
All right, let's forget about all that mess. The party is here, the party is now. Time to act a fool.
Attention, partygoers.